to Science with Ayazullah. Friends, today this is the special video because I'll show you plants which I started growing from few days. So friends, let's start. So friends, now these all are my plants. These all plants are grown with different methods. So friends, now let's see those methods. So friends, first I'll show you my fenugreek plants. This is grown by hydroponic method. In this method you have to soak fenugreek seeds in water for 1 day, and the next day you have to spread the seeds on a strainer, and down you have to fill water in a bucket and keep the strainer in the bucket in this way. And these plants I kept 3 days before, and it grew this much. See, it even got roots. And next plant we'll see. So friends, this is spring onion. In this I just took the bottom part of spring onion and I sliced it and then poked a barbecue stick from middle and kept it on a glass, and I poured water down, and in this way the spring onion will take water from down, and like this it can grow. So friends, in this container I grew tomato plant. Here is the plant, and with the plant I few days before saw another plant growing. I didn't sow the seeds, but still it grew. So, and even here, wherever you can see these brown patches, there fungus came. In this soil there was fungus, so I put it cinnamon powder, because cinnamon powder works as a fungicide. Now also there is little fungus. You can see here there is little bit green. So friends, now let's move to the next plant. Friends, here I grew fenugreek seeds and coriander seeds. Here I tried to grow coriander seeds, but it didn't grow. It was just an experiment. But here fenugreek seeds grew. But the hydroponic method was faster than the soil method. Friends, you have to make few holes under the container in which you grow plants. I made few holes even under this bucket. So friends, let's move to the next plant. So friends, our next plant is curry leaves. Friends, to grow curry leaves plant, you have to take a thin stem of curry leaves which looks like this, and carve little part from down, and the part you have to dip it in turmeric powder, because turmeric powder works as a rooting hormone. Friends, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Science with Ayazullah. If this curry leaves plant grow, I will make another video on it and show you how to grow curry leaves. Thank you for watching.